student, welcome back to our online classes of St. Mary English High School, Nalasupara West. Today our subject is EVS Part 2, Lesson number 6, The Oath of Swaraj, the Temple of Raireshwar. There is a beautiful temple called Raireshwar in southwest of Pune, which is famous for its beauty. In 1645, Shivaji and few Malwas gathered there because there was a special event. But why they came to this hiding spot in deep forest and what to discuss? The arrogance of young Shivaji. Arrogance means decision. Shivaji was a very young, but his mind always used to busy planning of something. He opened his mind to his friend. He addressed them by saying that there is a something going in the mind. He said that his friend Shahaji Raje is a Sardar at the court of Bijapur, and it was his father who gave him charge of this Jagir. But he is not happy because they are in the hand of Sultan, surrounded by constant war between the kingdom. They lost their people in war, but in return they never received anything. The army, their families are just destroyed. He cautioned his friends that he don't give them anything but just the slavery. Are we going to tolerate this for the sake of a small watans? How long shall we lay down our lives for the foreign sultan? Shivaji was in a very angry state of mind. During his speech, his face turned into a red. He stopped in the middle and looked at his companion. The Malwas were very much impressed by Shivaji's speech. One of them stood and said that they will do everything and they will prepare to do anything for their country. Each and every Malwa supported Shivaji. Next one, the Oath of Swaraj. Shivaji was very motivated by Malwa's support. He addressed them by saying that their path is very clear. They are ready to sacrifice their lives for Hinduvi Swaraj. Everybody will have their own rule. They will return slavery doctrine. They all took the oath in the temple of Lord Raireshwar as the witness of establishing Swaraj. The temple was echoed with the words of Shivaji that God will take his kingdom will definitely take the shape of Hinduvi Swaraj. After the oath, everyone left the temple with the commitment of freedom. As they reached Pune, he met his mother and narrated all that happened in the temple of Raireshwar. Jijabai was so happy. Preparation in the Malwa Valley. Shivaji got very busy in his new activities. He started intense training in the swordsmanship, riding, exploring secret parts and gathering the information about the valley, etc. Malwas has his devotee followers and because of them, Shivaji got detailed survey of all the forts and military area. He got to know about each and every secret part, etc. Marvels. All over the 12 marvels, then were Deshmukh having their individual watans. They were so attached to that land more than anything else. But it causes so much of fights and quarrels among them. Shivaji decided to put an end to it. He would visit Deshmukh, advise them about the Swaraj, and soon almost everyone started supporting him. Those who were adamant Shivaji found against them. There was happiness everywhere. With no fights, Deshmukh started to look upon Shivaji, and the dream of Swaraj was fast approaching the day of fulfillment. There were some Baji, Palskar, Bandal, where are some of the Deshmukh in the Malwa Valley who begins to look upon Shivaji and their leaders. Now next one is Shivaji's royal seal. The Jagir was already been established in the name of Shivaji. Shahaji Raje had cast a special royal seal of Shivaji. This silk will grow in the splendor like the new moon. This silk of Shivaji is the son of Shahaji Raje, receiving homage from the whole world, devoted the welfare of the people. This royal silk is the way foretold the foundation of Swaraj. In those days, silk were curved. Shivaji is in Sanskrit. This was a significant change. There will be no Swaraj with your own language and your own religion. But at the same time, there should not be a hatred for other religions. The seal was a guarantee to all the Malwas that the Shivaji government was for the welfare of the people. They were quick to grasp this point. Thank you, student. Here I am ending my lesson. Take care, bye bye, and have a nice day, student.